Hi, Mike. How are you today? Looking good. What you up to? Preparing tonight's dinner, eh? It all looks very yummy. Hi, Mo. How are you doing? You look tired. Maybe you should rest for a while. What was that? It's probably just the wind. Don't worry, Mike. Sun is setting. You should probably take your corn and go home before it gets dark. Oh no! Where's your corn, Mike? What are you going to do? Do you think someone has taken it? All right, you stay here. We should call Maverick. He'll know what to do.
Woohoo! Whoa! Huh?
Hey, Marty, how's it going? What about you, Maverick?
Huh?
This really looks fun. Marty, there's an emergency. Maverick is going to have to take care of it. He'll be back soon. Don't worry. Hey, Malcolm.
Hello.
What are you looking for? Archaeology search, huh? Any good?
Nay.
Well, sorry to interrupt you in your work, but there's an emergency. Can you help?
Hurry.
Here comes Maverick. He'll explain everything. So, Mike was preparing his dinner for tonight at the cornfield and then realized that his corn had disappeared. He needs it for dinner.
Nay.
Can you help him?
Hurry. Nay.
All right, let's go. Come on, Mike. We'll find your corn. Don't be all upset. Maverick has brought Detective Malcolm to help you on this peculiar case. Mike, could you explain to Malcolm what happened exactly? Mike was doing his daily chores on the cornfield and was collecting some corn for his dinner. When he came back to the pile to collect them, it was all gone. That's very strange. Mike, was there someone with you when it all happened? Not that Mike knows. Although, he did see Mo earlier, actually. Hey, Mo. Malcolm would like to ask you a couple of questions. It will only take a minute. What were you doing at the cornfield today, Mo? Mo was towing some wood planks today to repair an old shed he used to play in when he was a kid. And how come we don't see your planks right now? Mo was very tired of the towing, so he decided to rest for a minute. His planks are just around the corner of the mill. Mo doesn't really like to be accused like that, unless you have evidence.
Uh-huh.
Mo is probably not responsible for this, Malcolm. We need to find more clues, though.
Uh-huh.
Don't be all moody, Malcolm. We'll find out what happened. Look! Corn tracks! Let's follow them.
Oh. Huh?
All right, guys. There are still corn tracks behind the mill. We should follow them and see where they lead. Well, well. What is all that? Looks like we have found your corn, Mike. But how come it's here?
Yay!
Of course! The windmill pushed these away. Well, mystery solved, guys.
Hey.
Malcolm would like to apologize for accusing you in the first place, Mo. We all knew it wasn't you, obviously.
Hey.
Enjoy your meal, guys. See you soon.
Hi, Mia. Looks like you're having real fun out there. Wow, Mia. That's impressive. Careful out there, though. No! Careful, Mia! Oh my! Mia, are you okay? You've broken one of the pipes during your fall. The well is getting flooded. We need to call Maverick. Coming back real soon, Mia. Hello, little Maverick. Why so sad? Oh, I see. You wish this trampoline could take you way up in the air and make you fly? I'm sure you'll manage eventually, little one. I have a mission for you. Mia was doing some loops, but got stuck in a well, and it's about to get flooded. Can you fetch some help quickly? Mia, are you still there? The well is half filled with water, Maverick. Who should we call to help Mia? Milo and Mitch, of course. Let's go get them. Hi, monster cranes. Something happened to... Guys. Guys, listen. Maverick needs your help. Mia is stuck inside a well that is about to get flooded. Can you help her? Great. Let's go then. There she is. Quick, guys. She's nearly drowning. Don't you worry, Mia. Maverick has brought some help to get you down. Almost there, guys. Use your hook. Gotcha. Mia, try not to fall. Thanks for your help, Cranes. You really make a great team when you work together. Now, how are you going to repair these pipes? Oh, boy. Maverick, Mia wants to give you a tour of the city to thank you. You're finally flying, Maverick. Enjoy! Well, well. Looks like a heavy race is happening around here. Wow, Marty. You're such a show-off. Don't be overconfident, Marty. The race is not over yet. Oh my. Marty, look out! You have a hole underneath your hull, Marty. Hold on. Marty, where is Mo? There's no trace of him anywhere. Can you see him?
Oh, right now.
Thank goodness. There he is. Hold on, guys. Maverick can help you out.
Whoa! 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 Oh? Whoa!
Hey, Maverick. Marty and Mo need your help.
Oh?
Can you go by the lake now?
Uh-huh.
See what's happening, Maverick? You need to get there fast. Hi, girls. What are you doing?
Hey.
Oh, you're playing mouse and cat? Looks fun. Mia, here comes Maverick. There's an emergency.
Oh. Huh?
Marty and Mo are in danger and need you. They're at the beach. Can you come?
Oh. Huh. Uh-huh.
Look, Mia, there they are. Hurry. Hold on, Mo. Mia is going back for you. Way to go, guys. You're almost there. Are you enjoying your ride, Mo? Great teamwork, you guys. Marty, looks like Maverick has been taking care of your hole. You look good. So what would you think of starting a race again? Mo says he's had his lot of action for today. But you guys go ahead. How about a race between Mia and Marty? Air against water? What do you think, guys? Okay, Maverick, you can do the counting.
Mà là nghe đó. Được gặp.
Ready? Steady? Go! Good luck to you, monsters, and be careful this time. See you soon. Hi, Milo and Mitch. What a beautiful day. Where are you heading? Uh-oh, it appears you'll have to choose between these two roads. Which one will it be? Come on, guys, don't fight over this. Which one will it be? Now, you should flip a coin to sort this out. Mitch, you pick heads, and Milo, pick tails, all right? Okay, so the side with the truck is heads, and the side with the number 1 is tails. Great. Let's flip this coin. Okay, let's see. It's heads, guys, so it means that Mitch has won, and he can pick the direction he wants. Milo, Mitch, look at that impressive tree. Guys, looks like something has been put on top of it. Let's check and see what it is. Will you look at that? This is a giant cake. What is it doing up there, though? That cake looks so yummy. Milo doesn't want to retrieve the cake from the tree, Mitch. What if it was someone else's? Well, it's been found already, so why all the fuss? Not again. No! Milo, Mitch, Brains, can you get to the other side of the branch? All right, okay. No worries. Maverick will get you out of there in no time. Just hold on a bit longer. Hey, Maverick, enjoying this beautiful day? A bright sunshine and an ice cream. Well, you aren't so badly off. Oops, I spoke too soon. Let's see what happens, Maverick. You know what needs to be done, Maverick?
那红色了没有？
Hey guys, such a good idea to freshen up on this very hot day. Take a deep breath, Maverick, and calm down. Max, Milo and Mitch need your help. They're stuck by fire and can't get out. Sorry, Marty. Max must go, but he'll come back to play with you. Which way should you choose, Maverick? There, look, a coin. They must have gone this way. Look at this smoke. It better hurry up, guys. Milo, Mitch, are you okay? Hold on. Slow down a bit, Maverick. Max is handling the situation. Amazing, Max. Thanks so much for rescuing the cranes. How are you feeling, cranes? And thanks to you, Maverick, see, there was nothing to worry about. Now Mitch still wonders how come a cake was hanging on top of a tree. Oh, right. Maverick hid that birthday cake for you guys because he knows it's your birthday. He wanted to wait till tonight to celebrate since the day is so hot. Right. It explains all the worrying. You thought all of this was your fault? It's okay, Maverick. Everything's fine now. You're right, Milo. It's time to eat that cake. Oh my! You finally agree on something, guys. It must be a miracle. Easy, boys. Well done. Enjoy your birthday cake, my friends. See you soon.
Hi, baby cars. Boy, that looks dangerous. Just try to be safe, okay? So you're trying to figure out how to jump properly, but need some guidance? Look, there's Troy the train. Maybe he can help you. Troy, the baby cars want to learn some stunts, but have no one to teach them. Do you think you can help them? That's great. Wait here, baby cars. We'll be back in a few minutes. Hi, Teddy. Do you think you can help Troy with a new vehicle? It's really important. Teddy, the baby cars need someone to teach them how to do stunts. Can you help? Great. Let's get started. Which one should we build?
A.
This one? No? What about this one then?
O.
Not that one either? Perfect. A monster truck can help the baby cars with their stunts. Okay, Troy, let's head back to the baby cars before anyone gets hurt. Hi again, baby cars. Ah, good. You all look well. Do you want to find out what Troy and Teddy found? Okay, Troy, let's unload the container and assemble our new friend. Hi there, monster truck. It's nice to meet you. What's your name? Marley? Welcome to Car City, Marley. Troy, a monster truck is really good at doing different stunts. He will be able to teach the baby cars some tricks. It looks like he wants to start immediately. Show them what you've got, Marley. Wow, that's some skills you've got, Marley. Baby cars, Marley says that if you want to try to jump, he can stand next to the ramp and tell you how to do it. Are you ready, baby Amber? Then let's go. Poor baby Amber. Good thing you didn't hurt yourself. Marley says you should aim for the middle of the ramp and don't hesitate once you have started to drive, okay? Okay, let's try again. Wow! Yes, well done, baby Amber. It looks funny, doesn't it, Troy? Do you want to try some tricks? See? I told you it was fun to do tricks. Thank you, Troy. And say thank you to Teddy as well. Bye, everybody. See you soon. Guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.